What's up? I'm Aesthetic Ozy. For those of you that don't know me from my short form content, basically, I lost 100 pounds twice. Second time, I got in the best shape of my life, got much leaner, and got visible abs, and kept it for, the last 2 years I'm running. Today, I wanted to talk about something that I'm asked quite a bit. So, basically, how losing fat and unlocking or building your aesthetic physique changes your dating life. Now, I've touched on this, but I'll go a little more in depth on this. Keep in mind this is not a dating channel. This is a fat loss and fitness channel, Which, speaking of, I'm a big believer that if you're not in shape, then you're not your best self, especially as a guy. And if you're not your best self, it's impossible for you to live your best life. So, you want to work with me one-on-one to unlock your best self and your best life. Links in the description. It's also going to be in my channel bio, or you could just DM me the word lean on Instagram or TikTok, but I'm going to be honest, I'm way more responsive on Instagram. So I basically have a love-hate relationship with this topic because, well, I don't want to seem like I'm self-glazing, one, but then also I don't want to seem like some lying guy on the internet, right? And then also on top of that, like, this is a fitness and fat loss page. I'm trying to help guys that were where I started build and unlock their aesthetic physique. That's losing the fat while building muscle, right? But in the same token, and really a lot of that, like, that's just the mechanical part. Really, something I like saying is that the fitness journey, especially fat loss, it is a mindset, it is a mental journey, and even some people have called it spiritual, and I agree, disguised as only physical. Like, understanding that's usually what gets through the barrier of you actually executing what you need to do. And as a result of going through it, your energy is going to change, your self-respect is going to change, how you move, how you operate, that's going to change. And people sense that. I feel like that's one of the reasons that, like, the overall respect you get just socially in general goes up. But also this ties into the topic of dating. As a result of your self-respect is going to go up. But then also, they're just going to be more attracted to you because you look better. So to answer the question, does losing fat, building an aesthetic physique, hell, even getting in shape, and how it changed dating, it night and day difference. And that might not even be enough to describe it for me. Just from my experience, right? I have had multiple things that I never thought would happen to someone like me occur, and pretty consistently from the time that I, quote unquote, became aesthetic Ozy, basically got to a point that I had visible abs and decent muscle. And I've been at that point for, over 2 years now. And it drastically changes things. So, like, a lot of the time, right? Like, dudes will debate this and they'll be like, oh, money matters more. Oh, your physique doesn't change that much, or oh, it doesn't change dating that much, or oh, it's gonna attract guys, not girls. So here's what I got to say to that, right? I feel like I'm in a very unique spot to speak on this for a couple of reasons. I've experienced being fat and I've experienced being fit, both times more than once, right? I've experienced what dating is like both in a relationship and outside of one in both those states. So I can really, really speak on that. So, okay. Oh yeah, and the other reason I feel like I could really, really speak on this. So, like, let's talk about the money one, right? So my belief on it is this: if, yes, girl, even though they like saying, oh, we don't care, whatever, blah blah, you're never gonna get the full truth out of it, right? But we'll just look at their actions, at least in my experiences. The money part, they care about it, but not as much as most dudes think. And really, it's more like just that you're able to take care of yourself, because, like, it's natural for them to want a guy that, long term at least. That's more like okay, he's gonna be around long term consideration, that provider aspect. I think most dudes understand that part, right? Or at least most dudes that are actually, like, serious understand that part. But it's not attraction. Money doesn't equal attraction. You can use it in a way that it will get you more women, but to be honest, it's not going to be the type of women you're going to want to deal with. They're not going to have genuine attraction for you. And on top of that, like, reason I feel like I'm in a pretty good spot to speak on this as well is that, so around a similar time, this was like two of my goals, my long-term goals, coming to fruition. So yes, my abs showing, why I had, like, decent amount, like, my physique was in a state that I liked. But then Also, I started experiencing. So basically, I started making six figures for the first time as a black man in America in his 20s. And I only mention that not on some victim mindset stuff or whatever. I only mention that because of just how unlikely it is. And that was like a major thing I wanted to make happen. So when I hear this debate, it's like I've kind of lived it. So like the only time they really notice is like by the time they've gotten to my place or whatever. And I was never the type to, I would not bring it up in conversation. I don't talk, no. They're like, wait, this is your place or whatever? Holy shit. Which I'm not gonna lie, is that reaction nice? Yeah. But really, dating wise, I'm sure it probably played a factor in some of the girls I was seeing that wanted to see me more long term. But that's pretty much about it. Just like, okay, I have the stability part in terms of money, right? Other than that, improve my overall life, yeah, because I'm like, okay, I basically did a bunch of stuff to satisfy kidney. I got a place I like. I built my dream gaming PC. I used to be a sneakerhead when I was like a teenager. So I got my 5 favorite sneakers of all time. That was it. The physique made a far bigger difference dating wise. And it makes sense because, like, I mean, especially if you do it naturally, something that's built into humans as a whole is basically just they're going to judge you on your physique. And it's subconscious because it's one of the easiest and biggest indicators of your level of self respect, discipline, and just your overall standards and mental strength, right? I think you can understand why that would, on a nature level, matter to a woman. They don't even know that they're judging you for this shit, but you can see it in certain stuff they'll say, how they act towards you, so on and so forth. When my physique changed, I noticed the switch in how I was treated by women, and like consistently, right? Like I've had women approach me. I've had women drive hours to see me. I've had, and when I say women, girls I consider like 9s and 10s physically. Now I know that's subjective, right? I've had that happen. I've had girls pay for dates for me without me asking them to. On top of that, so I was like, oh, well, I just like was ready to pay. They're like, no, I got it. I enjoyed myself. Thanks, whatever, right? I've had girls ask to come back to my place. I've had I could keep going on and on, but like it genuinely starts sounding like you're making it up, right? And it is part of what I mean when I say just a love-hate relationship with this topic. But like I would say as a dude, all that mention of it being like tied to your self-respect, your mental strength, all of that. So it's not even just like that genuine desire, that genuine attraction, but then also that respect factor, all those things, so that her like liking who you are is tied much more closer to your physique. Because think about it, you're developing your mental strength, your discipline, your those are core identity traits, those are core parts of who you are as a man, especially, right? You doing that is just gonna naturally, especially if you're, so something else, that I know about myself, I do not like, I can think a woman is a 10 physically, but I do not like women that I consider masculine. And when I say that, I mean in terms of how she acts, how she treats me, how she talks to me, so forth, so on, right? And I like much more feminine women. So, and what I noticed is like being lean or like getting your physique to that, like, it's a very good filter to kind of like just weed out masculine women, right? Or women that I would consider that. And the weird thing is like, is this weird thing where it's like they'll like, you could tell you get more choosing signals and stuff, right? Like a girl will check you out in front of you. Could be there's multiple times I'm with a girl, she would dead ass check you out right in front of her, or start flirting with you, whatever, right? With masculine women, the funny thing is like, or at least women I consider that, is that like a lot of the time they'll actually be attracted to you. Like it's built into women to be attracted to a man that's in shape. But like it's kind of almost like they kind of like disqualify themselves or don't want to deal with it because they feel like they know that they can't try you as much and get over on you as much, right? But then that same aspect of it, so it's like they do more of the ego, the pride games, manipulation, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna get too deep into it. But then that same aspect kind of like draws the more feminine women more and more to you, and you get both more dating options and higher quality dating options consistently. And your standard just goes up, like you tolerate less BS. But it makes sense because think about it, the process of you getting in shape is tolerating less BS from yourself. It's improving your standards, not just through what you think or what you want, but through actual action. So it just, and naturally, like, or kind of know, even if it's on an instinctual level, they're more sensitive to this type of thing, in my opinion. Like the guys that they could get away with playing games with, or more games with, or be more disrespectful towards, and not as much, right? And that kind of affects things. So there's that. I think you get the point I'm making. It is, I would say, if you were trying to improve your dating life as a dude, or you're trying to have more options, whatever, yes, it shouldn't be your only, reason for unlocking aesthetics, unlocking your aesthetic physique, getting in the best shape. Because I truly believe that's unlocking your best self. And that's like mentally, that's spiritually, and that spreads to every area of life. But I'm asked about dating a lot, and that's the topic of this one. Yes. I would say that's the number one thing you should work on, because that's going to improve your mental strength, your discipline, and just like your overall self respect. And that spreads to every other area of life. And the ironic part is, it then in turn, at least in my experience, gives you, it improves your money making ability. So, like, for example, let's say person A, person B, let's say they're clones of each other, right? But person A is that version of themselves that's in shape, and person B is the fat version of themselves. They have the same resume, they have the same qualifications for the job. Person A is getting the job that they interview 95+% of the time, because people make those snap judgments on, like, when you get to the other side, you will really see. Like, I knew, but it's like, oh my god, you will see just how differently you're treated. Like, it's actually insane. It is insane. Like, so there's that. But then also, like, for example, even for me, right? Like, I've been making content, like I mentioned, about 9 months. Me getting coaching clients, if I wasn't in shape, that wouldn't happen, or it'd be way harder. Definitely helps with growing a following, building a personal brand. But then also me getting reached out to for like brand deals, me being asked to model. These are all things that are a result of me getting in shape. So yeah. But yeah, to answer the question of does it improve your dating life and how much, I would say it dramatically does. It is a night and day difference, at least in my experience. And dudes that say, "Oh, physique doesn't matter that much," or that like, "Oh, you're gonna attract more dudes," if you're bulking, which I think is a scam in itself, like you unlocking a natural, lean, and aesthetic physique. Like I said, low body fat, decent to high amount muscle development. That's the female gaze, basically. Like, you're, even if you have below average genetics, you are going to get significantly more options than the average dude, and then you were getting before, right? And the only people that push back over all this are people that have never been lean for a sustainable amount of time. So that's just what I've seen. This is a topic I could talk about all day, because I mean the difference and the change surprised me. Like, yeah, yeah, and I have a lot of stories. Granted, like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with this topic, but I can also understand why somebody, especially where I was starting, would want to know this is natural for us as men. That's pretty much what I wanted to talk about today. You want me to talk about it more, just let me know. But yeah, I'll say what I said earlier in the video, where I'm a big believer that if you're not in shape, especially as a man, then you're not your best self. And if you're not your best self, it is impossible for you to live your best life. So if you want to work with me one-on-one to unlock your best self and your best life, DM me the word lean on Instagram or TikTok at aesthetic_o.z, or just, they're going to be in my description and in my channel bio. Or you can just book a free consultation call with me and see if you're a good fit for my fitness coaching. But other than that, have a blessed day.